In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate theme in WordPress 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to handle checkout if your chosen theme requires a paid plan. Start by heading to WordPress.com and sign into the site you want to update. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find Appearance and click it. This is where you control your site's overall look and layout. Next, choose Themes. You'll land in the theme library where you can browse, search, and compare designs. When you spot a theme you like, click it to open the details page. Here, you can review screenshots, features, and usually preview how it will display on your site. Take a moment to make sure the design supports the content you plan to publish. If it looks right, click Activate. For free themes, activation is immediate. For premium themes or those tied to specific plans, WordPress.com will guide you through a quick checkout first. On the checkout page, begin by reviewing your order. Confirm the plan and the theme match what you expect. Next, select how you want to be billed, for example, monthly. Pick the option that fits your budget and needs. Then, enter your billing information carefully, making sure details like your address and postal code are accurate so the payment goes through without a hitch. When everything looks correct, click Continue to Payment. On the payment screen, choose your preferred payment method and complete any required fields. Double-check the total and the billing interval you selected. When you're ready, click Pay to finish. After payment is processed, your theme is activated automatically. You'll typically see a confirmation and the theme marked as active in the themes area. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a few seconds or refresh, then visit your site to see the new design live. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. If you manage more than one site, confirm you're working on the correct one by checking the site name at the top of the dashboard before you activate. Changing themes can affect menus, widgets, and homepage settings. Your content stays safe, but you may need to reassign menus or check widget areas to match the new layout. If your site uses caching, clear it and reload a few pages to confirm everything looks as expected. That's all there is to it. You've successfully activated a WordPress theme and handled checkout when needed. Thanks for watching and happy building!